Okay, this truck is completely treated with USA fluid. 75-mile-an-hour winds or a blizzard blow and packed that covered with snow, that engine. We're going to start it up right now. It's sealed and it's protected. That's what happens when you put this on the whole engine compartment, from the top to the bottom, the wires, ignition, the alternator, everything. You can pack it with snow, freeze it up all over it, and it'll start right up. And it'll sit there running like a top. It's packed with snow. A 75-mile-an-hour gust blew on this thing for 2 days. When you use this, you'll laugh. You'll laugh at the problems that the rest of the world has. You get silly. This is all it takes. Just give it a coating with that, and you're good. You'll laugh at the cold. Wind chill was 48 below zero yesterday. Warm now. Wind chill's up to about 2. Look how nice it's running. Running like a top. It'll warm up, all that water will dissolve. The snow, I'm saying, will dissolve. And the motor gets hot, it'll just run right off. It'll be dry like a summer day. Packed with snow. Starts up like a summer day. Isn't that something? A leak on that exhaust manifold back there. You ain't gonna do nothing with it now. Fix it in the spring. Warming up now. Everything melting off the wires, already melting on this side. And the needle's starting to come up on the engine. See everything melting away. The engine's coming out now. It'll look like a motor again. Fluid's got it protected. Water's just running off it. Everything's back. There's everything inside. It's all gone now. A little bit of snow left on the wires there. Nothing gone. Motor's starting to warm up. Okay, you warmed up now. Before and after. There's the after. Before was the snow. A little bit of ice, snow melting off battery. In there, there's all the ignition modules and wiring and critical things that run the motor. All covered up with snow. It's froze solid. Didn't mean a dead gum thing. Started right up. There she goes. Ready to go back to work. Get up on that trailer and pull it away. Beautiful thing. USA fluid makes it so. There it is now. Hooked up to the trailer. And the motor's all warmed up. Idle slowed down finally. Heat's coming out of the radiator. And all the snow is melted except that little stock jack that came with the truck. There's all ignition wires and modules. All these ignition wires there. Everything was packed with snow. This is the after picture. Totally protected, USA fluid. Laugh at the cold, the snow, and the ice. Keep going.